Large model Cessna in less than 60 seconds. Let's go. Radio on. Plug in battery. That's it. Listen for beeps. If it sounds like that, you're set. Close large hatch. Firmly insert the pin. This is sometimes a two-handed job. So unsafe the throttle using the throttle cut switch. Should either be pushed that way or up or down is unsafe. Next, you're going to go ahead and very slowly bring this up until you start to hear the propeller spin. Pick up radio, throw it around your neck.